Good morning, traders. Welcome back to this channel. And as you can see, guys, I just woke up and let me show you guys what I'm looking for on the trade. So we are here with futures. You know that, guys, last time I took a trade with futures and the trade happened to be, I think, somewhat of a small win or a break even. And this time I was lucky enough to take the trade here at these lows. And one thing that I like about this setup is that I did not chase this trade. It was over here somewhere, and I said, okay, if the market come back to this low, like it wants to make a double bottoms, and I'll be interested in buying it. So I just put my entry here with a limit order and my stops just below the lows, and that happened to work out. My TP was all the way up here at 1 to 2 to give me like a 400 and something dollars. But I learned my lesson. Anytime I see a red candle and this rejection over here, it might be testing this support. And one thing I know about futures is that it respects structures a lot. So anytime you see a rejection like this, know that price is about to bounce. So when I saw that rejection, I did close my position. If I had opened my position, we are still, I don't know if we are bullish or bearish. That's why also I was just going off this support level down here, and I was able to catch that trade, and I was able to earn at a little bit of profit. Let's go and see what that profit looks like. I don't think it has actually loaded, but if it has loaded, then I'll show you guys here. I think it is, today is the, okay, yeah, today is June 1st. It has loaded now. That was a small buy over here at $221. So this account is also sitting at $568. We'll see if we can get it to maybe 2000 this week, because according to this prop firm according to this prop firm, it's a live account, but the threshold is for my 25k account is I have to pass more than can you imagine, 1500 on the account, and then anything above that I can withdraw, and that's within 30 days. Because if 30 days pass, you know what's gonna happen, guys? I'm gonna pay another $300, $269. Can you imagine? Saying that you want to help traders and you're doing this is stupid. But my point is, if I'm able to get that account to 2k, I'm gonna withdraw that $500, and they will give me like a 50% split for the first 4 times, I think, or maybe for the first 3 withdrawal. It's my 4th withdrawal that is going to, guys, can you imagine that? And I have to get this account to 2000 or maybe plus above that, so I'm able to withdraw anything above 1500, and it's going to be my 3rd withdrawal. That's going to stop being 50-50 split, and it's going to start being like maybe 80 or 90, whatever they I don't even know, because once I read that my first withdrawal is going to be 50-50 split for the first 3 withdrawals, I know that is a scam, because that means I have to constantly keep buying the account monthly. How you want to help traders when you want them to pay such a big amount of money just to trade 269, just to trade a 25k? So somebody doing this on a $100,000 account is paying monthly. I don't know if this is how all futures platform works, but I will never trade futures again. And even forex, quitting forex also, so I will not be trading any prop firm for forex account. My eyes is looking actually very good today, because my eyes are always red. That means I really did have a good night's sleep. I worked overnight on Saturday, so I wake up on Sunday. I did not sleep on Sunday morning. I went to church. I was so tired, and church was fun, a lot of dancing. And when I came back around 3:30, I just laid on the bed, and then I found myself waking up around 2 a.m. and I was just like, yes, that's what is going to happen. And then since it's 2 a.m. already on a Monday, I just decided to continue sleeping until I wake up again at 6. So I'm happy and excited, and let's see where this market is going to. I'm just going to be scalping. I don't care if I overtrade today or I make a lot of money today. I don't care. If I see another opportunity, I'm going to take a trade. And like I said, I'll be taking a trade. I'll be waiting for the market to come to my level. Like I said, because when we chase the market kicks us out and then go to our take profit. So I would rather miss the trade, but I make sure that it is at a level where if it breaks that level and I'm taking a loss, I'm very confident that market structure has completely shifted. Let's look at Euro CHF. Okay guys, this is what Euro CHF is looking like on the 15-minute time frame. We have clearly seen that double bottom here that rejected, right? Let's go to the higher time frame. I'll show you what. If we look left, this is a key level of support. If we go to our higher time frame, like the daily time frame, this is the support level we are talking about. Market did create a double tops here, and we are going back maybe to retest this level of resistance. So what I want to do is I'm gonna scale back down to the 15-minute time frame. Whichever high we are targeting, maybe these highs, let me expand it a little bit. Okay, if we have seen these double bottoms, right, I believe that okay, market is making higher highs and higher lows. I'm going to draw like a line here, and this is where I want to be taking my buys. Why? Because I believe that this level, if market comes back, is going to be acting as a support because it is a resistance. And look at my stop loss. Also, one thing I like is that my 50 moving average is supporting price. So if market comes back, my 50 moving average may push it back to the upside, and I'll be going for 1 to 2, meaning, you know what, yeah, let me just go for 1 to 2. All right, so that's going to be 10 pips, and I'll be reaching for 20 pips over there for the 1 to 2. Guys, if this market plays out, I will update you guys. I will not be changing anything. I'm waiting for that push. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come, and we are going to come back tomorrow, or maybe after work. I'm going to look for more opportunities. By that time, maybe I'll be looking for sales because the market had already gone to the upside, pushed to the upside, and then start coming back to the downside. If that's the case, I'll be waiting for, like I said, everything bearish momentum to form, right? We want to see maybe like a double tops here, and then a break of that neckline on the double tops, and then want to see 50 moving average change. Maybe that's going to happen tomorrow, but today is Monday, the 1st of June, and I'm excited to take buys with Euro CHF. With that being said, I'll see you guys on when would I see you guys? I'll see you guys with the trade update, or just show you guys the loss or the profit that I've made with this forex Euro CHF. I'm risking $100 to make $200. Let's go.